Hi, you are watching Module 1 videos. In Module 2, we have around 120 videos. We teach Java with Selenium in real time. So end-to-end Java will be there and end-to-end Selenium will be there in complete real time. We provide classroom training as well as online training. So complete Java and Selenium will be there in real time.
Hi, welcome to RAMESHSOFT video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we will talk about method return types. So the most important interview question they'll ask you. So what types are allowed for the method, that is as a return type, So we know that we'll take method return type as a what? Void. It means it returns nothing. And we can take method return types as primitive types as well. We can take primitive types as well, int, byte, short, long, float, double, and etc. And even we can take a method return type as a class type as well. We'll see one by one. And even we can take a method return type as a interface type as well. Right? Now see here. So as a part of method return type, we can take as a void, we can take primitive types, we can take class type, and we can take interface type. Now see here. So let me go with one example so that you'll get much clarity on the things. Now see here. Now I'm taking one class. I'm giving class name as a return type test. Now just observe here what I'm doing. Now let me take one interface. Just I'm taking A1. People who don't have idea on interface, just watch my previous videos. Now I'm taking one class, something A1 implements A1. Sorry, let me take A1 IMPL implements A1. Now I'm taking this one. So let me keep one method. We know, right? In 1.7 and below 1.7 versions, inside interface we can have only abstract methods. But from 1.8 version onwards, inside the interface we can have default methods as well as static methods. And from 1.9 version onwards, inside interface we can have what? Private methods as well. So if you want 1.8 and 1.9 features, separate channel playlist is there. Just watch in that videos. Okay. In RAMESHSOFT we have all 1.8 and 1.9 features as well. Now, so let me take. I'm taking one method, void display. I'm taking one method. So by default, whether we declare or not, inside every method is become what? Public abstract void display. Right? Now, whenever a class is implementing another interface, compulsory whatever the methods there is inside this interface, all these methods should implement by this class, right? But let me implement all those methods. Yes, I'm implementing it, right? Now I'm writing SYSO of, I'm writing welcome to RAMESHSOFT. Now I'm writing some message, right? Now see here my display method is returning what? Void type or not? Yes. Now let me take one more method. I'm taking hello method. I'm taking one method called hello. I'm taking hello method. Now see here, as a part of this return type, I want to write string. String is a type what? Class type. Yes or no? Yes sir. Now I'm writing return. I'm writing Selenium with Java. Return Selenium with Java. Now see here, this hello method is returning what type now? Return type is what? String. The string is of type what? Class type, which is there as a part of java.lang package, right? Now let me take one more method. Now I'm taking public. Now I'm taking this class type A1 IMPL. Can I take it? Yes, we can take it. Now I'm taking class A1 IMPL. Now just observe here. Now I'm taking greetings. One method I'm taking. Some dummy implementations I'm taking. Greetings method. Now can you people tell me, this greetings method is returning what object? What return type? Class type. What type it is? A1 type. Now see here what I'm doing. A1 IMPL something A1 is equal to new A1 IMPL. New A1 IMPL. Now just to return what? Something I'm writing, just to return just return A1. Now see here, now this greetings method is returning what type? A1 class type. Now we saw that this method is returning void as return type. This method is returning what? String type of means what? Class type. This greeting method is returning what? Class type or not? Yes, A1 IMPL. So even if the method wants to, it can return what? It can return interface type as well. What is my interface? A1, right? Now I'm saying right, A1 interface. Now I'm writing some method called course. I'm writing some method called course. Now I'm writing A1 A is equal to new A1 IMPL. Right? Now return what is that? A. Right? Now see here. My display method is returning what type? Void type, means it returns nothing. Now my hello method is returning what? String, means what type it is? Class type. Now here my greetings method is returning what type? A1 IMPL. This is of type what? Class type. Now I'm getting this object or not? Yes. Now my course method is returning what? Interface type. So whenever we call course method, what object we are going to get it? A1. A1 is of type what? Interface. It doesn't mean it is not creating and returning interface object. It is creating and returning that A1 interface implementation class object. So as the method return type part, we can take how many things? 4 things. One is what? Void. One more is what? Class type. One more is interface type, and one more is primitive types as well. Now let me write one primitive. Now here I am writing public int. Here I am writing public int get ID. I am writing some dummy things I am writing just to show can we use it or not. Now here I am writing 23. Can I use it? Very comfortably, right? See here, this display method is returning what is the return type? Void, means it returns nothing. This hello method is returning what type? String. String is of type what? Class type, predefined, which is from java.lang package. Now this greetings method is returning what type? A1 IMPL. This is what? Class type. Now whenever I call a greetings method, I am going to get what object? A1 IMPL object. Now here I am taking one method called, what is the method? Get ID. So its method is returning what? Return type is what? Primitive type. Now here I am taking one method called course. So what is the return type for this? Interface type, right? So it is returning what? Interface implementation class object, right? Now let me run the program. Take main method. Now see here, let me create object for it. Now I am creating object for A1 IMPL class. Now see here, now I am creating A1 IMPL something. A1 IMPL is equal to new A1 IMPL. Now on this I can call, what is the method? First method is course. Whenever I call course, what object I am going to get it? A1 interface object. Now see here, A1 something called what? 1. So can you people tell me, on this can I call other methods? Yes, very comfortably. Can I call one dot greetings? Yes? No, because whenever we are creating object by using interface reference name, we can access only the methods present in what? Inside the interface. Now I can access only what is the method? Display method. So if you don't know about interfaces, just watch my previous videos, okay? You will get complete knowledge. Now see here, SR. Yes. Now see here, whenever I am calling this hello, what is the output I am going to get it? String as output. Whenever I call this greetings method, right? What is the output I am going to get it? Yes, what is the output I am going to get it? A1 IMPL object I am going to get it or not? Yes, on that object can I access all the methods or not? Yes. Now see here, A1 IMPL dot greetings. Now what object I am going to get it whenever I call greetings method? A1 IMPL object. So on this A1 IMPL object, now see here, A1 IMPL something A2. Now on this, can I call all the methods present in this A1 IMPL class? Yes. Can I call course method? Yes. Can I call greetings method? Yes. Can I call get ID method? Yes. Anything we can call it. A2 dot get ID, right? So whatever the methods are there in this class, all the methods we can access, because whenever I am calling greetings method, what I am going to get it? I am going to get what? A1 IMPL class. So on this object, can I access all the methods which is there as a part of this class or not? Yes. Now this is the way to write method return types. So simple. Just remember the points. So they'll ask you in the interview. So a method, how many ways we can represent this method types? Means 4 ways. One is void, one more is predefined or our own defined classes, and one more is primitive types, and one more is what? Interface types, right? So this is about method return types in Java. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. Thank you so much.